Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is on how to slip stitch. Right here I have the slip knot and the chain already on my hook. If you'd like to check out those tutorials, I will have each video linked in the description box below and you can check those out. Now, as you can see, when you are going to start your stitches, you're going to notice these little V's. You have your top loop and your bottom loop. For slip stitching in our first round row, we are going to use the top stitch only. So you're going to find that first stitch and the second chain on your hook. You're going to insert your hook on that first loop, the top loop. You're going to yarn over, pull a loop, and now you have 2 loops on your hook. And now you're going to take that same loop you just pulled through and pull it through again. And that is your slip stitch. I'm going to do it again to the end of the row. Insert your hook through the top loop of your chain, yarn over, pull through, and now with the 2 chains on your hook, you're going to take that same yarn you pulled through and pull it through again on that loop on your hook. And we're going to repeat that to the end of the row. And that is how you create your slip stitch, and it looks like this. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos, as well as our next video, which is our single crochet how-to for beginners.